Good day, guys. Welcome back to another episode. In today's video, we're going to be looking at the ceramic coating that was applied to the Dodge Charger, the CarPro Cquartz UK 3.0. It made the car look absolutely fantastic. It is still looking really, really good. I also want to say, if this is a video that you enjoy or you like my videos and you haven't subscribed to the channel, please remember to subscribe to the channel, click the bell, turn on all post notifications so you can stay up to date with any of my future uploads. But I'm just doing a quick walk around so we can see how this ceramic coating has made the Dodge Charger look. It is still holding up great, still looking absolutely phenomenal. Coming around over here to the passenger door, we'll just spray it with the pressure washer. You can see the beads on it. It is very, very hydrophobic. The hydrophobic properties of this are absolutely insane. The pressure washer is not on for pressure. This is just spraying out of the garden hose. But you can see those beads are just running off. Very nice, really good. So this is just basically like a nice light mist out of the pressure washer. But the hydrophobic properties are absolutely mind-blowing. Now with the pressure washer on, coming in with a high pressure, you can see it really, really blowing those beads off. But the beads are so tight, very nice, small, very, very round little beads. Looks absolutely phenomenal. Coming over to the hood, we're going to hit it with a pressure washer, and as you can see, just like the passenger door, the water is just flying off the surface. This is with the pressure washer on, but coming in to take a closer look, you can see these beads. Once the beads get a little bit bigger, they are just running off like crazy. You can come in and flood them off, but the hydrophobics, I can't say it enough, the hydrophobics of the CarPro Cquartz UK 3.0 is absolutely amazing. This does have two coats of the Cquartz, and then it does have gliss as a top coat, and the gliss has a lot of hydrophobic properties. But looking at the beads there, they're almost perfectly round sitting on the panel, and then you can see as they kind of gather. But I cannot believe the contact angle of these beads on the paint. They're very nice, tight, uniform beads. Hydrophobic properties like this never get old, but that's enough with the pressure washer. So let's come in with a garden hose and see what the hydrophobic properties are like with it. So now coming in with the Gilmore, I have it on the rain setting, as you can see. It's just a nice lighter mist, I guess you could say, but it definitely is putting a lot more water on the panel. And with that more water, you can definitely see how fast it is sheeting off the panel and basically kind of self-drying in a sense, if you will. It's looking really, really good, but of course, nice, tight. The beads are almost perfectly round. It's just absolutely amazing. I put it here on the flood pattern on my Gilmore nozzle, and it just really, really can basically dry the panel just using water, as you can see right there. You just basically, if you flood that panel out, it is going to dry it. It's going to pull all the water off. So basically, in a sense, you could dry the car. We're doing the same thing on the hood here, just to kind of show how fast the panel will clear itself and dry. Very, very impressive. It never gets old playing around with hydrophobic properties, especially on some of these ceramic coatings. But the beads are just really phenomenal. This angle I like a lot because it will show how it is basically self-drying. We just throw some water on there, come back in, flood it out, and it pulls all the water off the panel. Basically, it is self-drying. You can come up to the top, do the same thing, pulls the water off, exactly the same. So very, very good product. So I'm really just trying to show exactly how nice these beads are, how uniform they are, and how tight they are. The hydrophobic properties of the CarPro Cquartz UK 3.0, and basically it's self-drying. It is a very, very impressive product. Personally, it is probably the best ceramic coating that I have used or applied to date. I am very, very happy with it. The overall shine, the hydrophobic properties of it, and how it has made the car look is top notch for me personally. I just cannot believe how great it looks. And then just like I've mentioned, it never gets old playing with hydrophobic properties. On the hood here, I really, really like showing the hydrophobic properties on a flat panel rather than a side door because it is a vertical panel. But I just like to mist it down, get the beads kind of collecting on top of the hood, if you will, and then come in and then just flood it out. And then you can see that line from where it is dried up at the top and then all the way down. But personally, if you are in the market for a full ceramic coating, this would be one that I would recommend 100%. Just an absolutely easy to use product with tremendous results. Hopefully you guys enjoy this video. I don't want to stretch it on too long. There's only so much, I guess, that you can talk about beading and hydrophobic properties of a product. But as I mentioned, hopefully you liked it and enjoyed it. Maybe it's a product that you would like to use or get and ceramic coat your own personal car, and this video will be helpful for you. But I want to thank you all so much for stopping in and checking out this video, and I will catch you all in the next one. And until then, take care.
Shock on the beats, shock on the beats, shock on the beats, shock on the beats.